What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to extend a video's duration in CapCut on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open CapCut and import your video if you haven't already. Then drag it onto the timeline. Click on the video to select it. Next, move your cursor to the end of the clip until it changes into a double arrow. If your clip has extra unused footage, simply click and drag the edge of the clip to the right to extend its duration. If you've already reached the end of the clip, you can use the freeze feature instead. Position the playhead where you want to freeze frame, click more on the toolbar, and select freeze. A freeze frame will be added to your timeline. Drag the end of the freeze frame to make it as long as you need. Preview your video to make sure everything looks the way you want. And that's it. That's how you can extend a video's duration in CapCut on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!